have arrived. Let's see what's in the box. Very awesome 4P card. Take the paper out. Oh my God. That's all that's in the box. There they are. What? While magnesium is a third lighter than aluminum, it is corroded badly by water and alcohol. Are the runners magnesium? Holy shit. Amazing. Wow, and I was worried what these would weigh compared to my Skunk 2 Ultra Race. These things are light. Holy. I'm going to have to email Luke. I am so happy that these are the magnesium version. Butterflies are installed. Couple of screws. Oh my God. Let's weigh these things. Wow. The whole set is 9 pounds, 4.2 ounces with the tags and the fuel rail installed. That is guaranteed lighter than the current plenum throttle body setup I'm running. And I will be using the link throttle position sensor because this car, I am converting these to drive-by-wire. Awesome. Throttle linkage attachment must be attached to the manhole pull against the throttle stop. Wow. Wow.